guys! Welcome to Cookies Vlog! Welcome. So, it's unboxing time. Meron akong na-receive na parcel. So, this is from Parsync. So, I have ordered some photo cards again from Parsync since nag-sale sila last time. I think I ordered this one around first week of April or last week of March. And nakarating na siya ngayon. So, let's unbox this. Actually, I forgot na kung ano yung mga photo cards na in-order ko. Pero, I am sure na most of, I've ordered the Horizon and SB19 photo cards, of course. So, oh my gosh, ito yung invoice ko. Invoice reveal. Wow. Ito, yung invoice ko. Marami pala ba? Oh my gosh, ito pa. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I ordered a total of 12 photo cards. So, here it is. Let's see. Tingnan po natin. Hey, go. Ay! Unang bungad. Bias agad. Oh my gosh. Unang bungad. Pogi agad, be. Wait lang. Dito pala. Uy, at least na... Ay, wait lang. Hindi. It's the same pa rin pala. Hindi ito talaga packaging ni Parsync, be. Wait lang. Hindi man lang nakasealed yung mga photo cards, be. Oh my G. Isa-isahin natin, be. Oh my G. Look at that. Oh, diba? Ang pogi ni Kyler, be. Oh my gosh. So pogi. So, ito yung likod niya, be. Parsync. Oh! OMG, look at that. Diba? Parang siya si Chao mo dito, be. Oh my gosh. Kung hindi ko kilala si Kyler, aakalain ko talagang si Chao dito, be. As in, oh my G, Kyler. The visual that you are right now. Oh my G, look at that. Look at that precious face. That pogi face, be. Perfection. Uy! Wait lang, may ibang susilip, be. Wait lang, pang nagdidikit to, be. Bakit dumidikit? Yan. Oh! What the? Oh my gosh, ang pogi ni... Pogi ni Tong dito, be. Pogi ni Winston dito, be. Oh my G. Yeah. At first, si Kyler lang talaga. Kay Kyler Pieces, yung mga Kyler Pieces ang taga yung prayo ko. Kasi, di ko silang mabili lahat kasi makukulangan yung budget natin. Pero, dahil may Sparks tong PC na to, kaya kinuha ko rin siya. Kung nga po, pogi ni Winston dito, may Tonton. May sweater. Oh. Diba? Oh. Ano masasabi natin dito, be? Pinanlaban. Josh Cullen. Gabi. Papauwiin ka agad. Josh Cullen yun. Ang hihinat na gagabi, be. Josh Mia. Lord. Ito yun. Oh, alams na. Oh, diba? Oh. No words. Saan pag-posting, Josh? Oh. May Ken rin, ha? May pa-rainbow pa yan. Ha? Fake faces. Diba? Yan, pogi. O, diba? Mix na talaga siya na SB19 at Horizon. Oh! They're so cute here. Oh my gosh. Winston, Kyler. They're so cute here. Oh. OT7, of course. Kailangan may group photo tayo, babe. Kung hindi natin mabibili silang lahat, kailangan at least may group PC tayo. Cute ni Marcus dito, baby. Oh my gosh. Is this Jiro? Like this? Jiro, is that you? Uy, Jiro. Baby ka pa, babe. Hindi ka pa ready for mature roles. Oh, Benji. O, diba? Ang cute nila, Kim. Kim, Raster, Skyler, Winston. My gosh. Jiro. Marag hangin ba? Charot. Uy, Jiro. Baby Papa, you're always our baby. Jiro. Oh, syempre, di mo mawala. Pinulong Pablo, be. Oh, ayan. Oh, ha. Beauty. Sinali ko to kasi ang cute ni Pablo dito. Actually, ito yung second time ko mag-order ng PC sa Persing kasi last time parang mostly mga Ja PCs yung binili ko. Tapos ngayon, yung mga PCs na hindi ko na-order last time, in-order ko ngayon kasi na-sale din. Oh, so cute! Oh, diba? Ang pogi ni Pinuno dito, be. Pinuno. So, ito pa. Oh. Oh, ang pogi, be. Oh my gosh. So, these are my Persing PC. I've arrived today. So, let's count the vlog ba talaga? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it's 12. So, yun na guys. Review on my unboxing. So, baka meron pang stocks sa Persing. So, visit nyo na ang Persing site. Baka meron pang mga stocks. Dahil nag-sale sila. So, baka pwede pa kayong mag-order siguro na kasi mura lang din. Go na kayo sa mga pa-sale. Pag may mga pa-sale, sugod agad. Sige. So, I hope na natuwa kayo sa unboxing video ko today. So, that's all. And see you on my next event vlog, or unboxing video. So, thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye.